Hi, this is Zach Laza with Caliber Real Estate, and the benefit that I'm going to be talking about today is our design and renovation team. Basically, our team has collectively flipped and renovated hundreds of houses, and the outcome of that is a huge vendor list, very, very effective. Where we got plumbers, painters, roofers, carpet people, you name it, as well as staying ahead of the curve and on the newest trends on lighting, paint colors, tile choices, all of that. And what we've done is we compiled a recipe book as well as a vendor list to provide to our agents to add value to them and their client base. For instance, if you're a listing agent working with a seller, you can say, hey, you know what? I know that if you paint all the walls repose gray, it's going to really modernize your listing, which can help get you the price that you're hoping to get. If you're working with a buyer, maybe you're saying, you know what? Hey, look at this kitchen. I know that this house has potential, and I know it's in the right school district for you, the right area, but if this house has this kitchen, which we can help you recreate, would this be your dream home? So really, as a company, we're just trying to provide that many more tools for our agents to add value and make themselves unique and differentiate themselves from the competition and just be of extreme value to their client base. So if this sounds like something that could be useful for you or intriguing, Caliber Real Estate would be a great fit. Please reply to the email below, and we look forward to connecting.